The wind industry is on the brink of an astounding tenfold growth in the next 30 years. This meteoric rise is powered by the exponential increase in both the number and size of turbines. By 2050, wind energy is projected to constitute a remarkable 40% of the world's energy production. However, as turbines grow larger, so do the challenges in inspecting, servicing, and repairing them. A shortage of qualified rope access technicians is looming, especially with the rapid expansion of wind turbines, along with the need for maintenance and repair as they age. Aerones, a pioneering force in the industry, has risen to address this critical issue. We've developed a versatile fleet of wind turbine maintenance robots, covering every aspect of turbine care. The final piece of the puzzle: extending our services offshore. We proudly introduce our innovative anchor system, designed to deploy our winches on offshore wind turbine platforms. The concept is elegantly simple. We load and transport equipment to the turbines via boats. Once on site, we unload the winches onto the platform and strategically submerge anchors around it. Our team conducts thorough inspections to ensure our anchors are positioned safely away from underwater cabling and other critical infrastructure. With the anchors firmly in place, we employ the same fleet of robots that have served us so well onshore. From lightning protection system inspections to leading-edge repairs and cleaning, our robots do it all. After completing work on a turbine, we swiftly dismantle and move on to the next one. The weight of our anchors guarantees stability and precision, even in challenging windy conditions. This ensures up to 4 times less downtime and a staggering 40% reduction in maintenance costs. Aerones, a proven industry leader, having serviced more than 8,000 wind turbines and over 24,000 blades across 27 countries spanning 4 continents. Join us in shaping the transition to accessible wind energy.